Hey guys, welcome to Just Be Handy. Is it time to seal your concrete slab or patio or even driveway? One way to check is to just add a little drop of water and see if it absorbs it or pushes it out. And in this case, it's absorbing it. So it's time to put another seal coat on here. I'm going with this Quick Treat waterproof sealer. And it is a DIY friendly sealer. What you'll need is a weed whacker, a leaf blower, pressure canister for sprayer, because that'll work well with this stuff, the pressure washer, and cleaning agent to clean your deck. And as you can see, I did trim along the whole patio to make sure that it will be alright. So 1 gallon is good for anywhere between 75 to 175 square feet. So I have 2 gallons. I'm hoping that I can get away with 1.5, but we'll see how things go. Alright, so I'm going to leaf blow this and then pressure wash it. I did also remove the bottom baseboard here so that I can get better sealing, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I just got done pressure washing this basically for the 3rd time. I did use the leaf blower to blow as much water off as I could. Let it dry over lunch, come look at it. If it's dry enough, we'll fill up that sprayer with a gallon and see how far we can go with a gallon. Alright guys, this has been about an hour, and there's a few spots that still need to dry, especially the areas between here. So I'll use the leaf blower to kind of hit those again and give it maybe another half hour to another hour before going at it again. Alright guys, this is my first test run. I did use the sprayer as is, and you can see there's some areas where it's just kind of not going in very well, or the sprayer kind of oversprayed. I did adjust the sprayer along the way. So I'm going to use a microfiber roller and just try and smooth it out here. We'll see how that looks. Well guys, this is kind of what it looks like if you use a roller. I kind of like the way it evenly spread it. So I think what I'm going to do is to continue using the sprayer and then rolling it afterwards. And it will get it as even as possible, and then it will dry fairly well on its own and sink in. This is natural look for it. It's not going to leave a sheen. So if you are a little bit more on some areas, the concrete should absorb it and get sealed. What I'm liking about this product is it allows you to work with it for a while because it's somewhat water-based, and so you don't have to rush to get going. Like today is a 90-degree humid day, overcast, no rain in the forecast for 2 days, but yeah, I'm able to spread it and work with it, and it's not drying very quickly. And maybe that's because the sun isn't up, but I think this is a good product for what I'm doing here. We'll see how it waterproofs and what it looks like when it's done. I'm already seeing patches of stuff drying over there on that first panel, and I hope it all dries evenly, but we'll see. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Did the best we could with pressure washing, and then applied that coat with the roller, and it's an hour later and it's completely dry. This was the product, the Quick Treat Concrete and Masonry Waterproofing Sealer, and it is a DIY type of a thing. All I did was use that sprayer, and then I rolled it with a paint roller that was a microfiber, and